Welcome back to Falcon Autos, your go-to destination for everything automotive. Today, we take a deep dive into one of the most iconic sedans in the world, the 2026 Toyota Corolla. Known for its bulletproof reliability, efficient performance, and mass-market appeal, the Corolla has been a bestseller for decades. But with the 2026 model, Toyota aims to modernize this classic while staying true to its practical roots. Let's explore what's new, what's better, and whether this latest version lives up to its global reputation. Exterior design, bolder and more refined. The 2026 Corolla arrives with a sharper, more athletic look. Toyota has updated the front fascia with a sleeker grille design, slimmer LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that gives it a more aggressive presence on the road. The side profile now features stronger character lines and new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 16 to 18 inches depending on the trim. The rear gets a sportier treatment too, with redesigned taillights and a more aerodynamic bumper. It's a subtle yet significant evolution that makes the Corolla look more premium and purposeful. Interior comfort, simple, smart, and spacious. Inside, the 2026 Corolla impresses with improved materials and a more thoughtful layout. Soft touch surfaces, optional leatherette seats, and a new dashboard design make the cabin feel more upscale than ever before. The ergonomics are spot on, everything is within reach and intuitively placed. The front seats are supportive and heated in higher trims, while the rear seats offer better legroom thanks to clever packaging. Ambient lighting, upgraded climate controls, and improved noise insulation make long drives a more relaxing experience. Infotainment and connectivity, tech-forward thinking. Tech-savvy drivers will appreciate the Corolla's upgraded infotainment system. A 10.5-inch floating touchscreen now comes standard in mid and upper trims, with an intuitive interface and snappy response times. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across the lineup. Toyota has also added a digital instrument cluster, customizable driving modes, and a voice-activated virtual assistant. The 2026 model supports over-the-air updates and comes with Toyota's latest connected services suite, including real-time traffic, remote vehicle tracking, and maintenance reminders via your smartphone. Engine and performance, efficiency first, but fun too. The 2026 Corolla offers two engine choices, a refined 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing 169 horsepower, and a new hybrid powertrain delivering a combined output of around 140 horsepower while achieving remarkable fuel efficiency. Both are mated to an improved CVT transmission that feels smoother and more responsive. For those craving a more spirited drive, Toyota has retuned the suspension for better cornering and ride comfort. Fuel economy is outstanding, expect up to 40 miles per gallon in city driving with the hybrid version. The Corolla may not be a sports car, but it handles everyday tasks with confidence and surprising agility. Safety features, Toyota's trusted guardian. Toyota continues its strong focus on safety with the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite as standard on all trims. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, traffic sign recognition, and more. New for 2026 is a driver attention monitoring system, which alerts you if it detects signs of fatigue or distraction. With multiple airbags, a strong crash safety record, and top-tier driver assistance tech, the Corolla remains one of the safest compact sedans on the road. Trims and pricing, value at every level. The 2026 Corolla is available in several trims. L, LE, SE, XSE, and Hybrid LE, XLE. Starting at around $22,500 for the base model and going up to about $28,000 for the fully loaded hybrid, the Corolla offers excellent value for money. Even the base trim includes LED headlights, keyless entry, and advanced safety features, while upper trims offer premium touches like a JBL sound system, sunroof, and wireless phone charging. With a wide range of configurations, there's a Corolla for every type of buyer. Environmental responsibility, greener than ever. Toyota has continued its push toward sustainability. The 2026 Corolla uses more recycled materials in its construction and offers class-leading fuel efficiency in its hybrid models. The new hybrid system reduces emissions significantly while maintaining the long-term dependability that Toyota is famous for. It's an eco-conscious choice that doesn't sacrifice practicality or comfort. Final verdict, still the compact king. With its updated design, smarter tech, improved performance, and unbeatable reliability, the 2026 Toyota Corolla proves once again why it's a global bestseller. It may not be flashy, but it nails the fundamentals of what a compact sedan should be: comfortable, efficient, affordable, and safe. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or someone looking for a dependable daily driver, the new Corolla delivers far more than expected. Outro: join the Falcon Autos family. Thanks for tuning into Falcon Autos for our full review of the 2026 Toyota Corolla. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more honest car reviews and comparisons. Have questions about the new Corolla or own one yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive smart, drive safe, and keep soaring with Falcon Autos.